Are you
Nainggit
gonna
ako.
eat?
After mo na lang. So, soup, I'll just try it.
No.
Why?
I want you to eat.
You want me to eat with you? Wow! Go. Sorry. Want me to, mix ko muna. Wow.
Let me see.
There's cheese soup. Sana hindi super spicy. Sorry. Wanna eat on your own ba?
Yeah.
Natatakam naman ako. What's up? Sarap, Tori. Here pa, may chicken ako in order for you. Ay, shucks.
Open.
Bambam loko.
Why?
Ano kaya to?
I think it's fish cake.
Fish cake or cheese?
I don't know.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Spicy? Fish ball?
Pero, huh?
Akala ko cheese.
Sayang.
Squid ball pala siya. Akala ko cheese ball. Ba?
Hello, how you doing, man? How are you? What is this?
Paano nakalagay kasi dun Korean balls?
Rice? This rice?
Yun yung pangalan niya.
How much for this?
Can I have water? Or you want chicken? Oh look, chicken pops. Try.
Ooh.
Harap. Good. Can I try the noodles?
Okay.
Sarap.
I like this shop now.
You like this shop?
Yeah.
Guys, ngayon na lang ako ulit mag-noodles. Magbubulda.
You want money or giant cereal bar? Money?
Ako na. It's good though.
Guys want $5?
Okay, I'm out. Don't like na. Water low. Happy Sunday! Ito. Wait, tanggalin ko yung tape. Sorry. Parang mas masarap siya may dip, no? Lap siya, oh. Na all ganyan yung buhay. Pa-swipe-swipe lang. What's your favorite Filipino food?
Kare-kare.
Kare-kare na. Dati sinigang nga.
Yeah.
People change.
Yeah, because it's 2026 na.
Ano? Because it's 2026 na? Wow, ganun ba yun? Member, Tori, lagi tayo nagla-live dito before.
Where are the parents in this girl?
Kasi na-busy ka na eh. You have so many new friends na, no?
No,
Yes, so. You don't even talk to me anymore.
No,
You ditched me nga yesterday eh.
Yeah, because I was sleeping na.
No, kasi you went to a party last night, di ba? Tapos, yung usapan natin after ng party, pupunta ka dito sa HQ.
Yeah, but my mom forgot.
Your mama forgot. Oh, why didn't you tell your mama?
I was sleeping.
Maybe I'm not that important to you anymore.
No,
Yes,
Wait.
whenever I'm at home kaya, di ba, pag tinatawag kita, you always say, your head hurts, ganyan, or you're sleepy, tinatamad ka na umakyat sa akin.
Okay na.
You're not denying it means it's true.
No,
Sino nga ba siya sa puso ko? I love you.
love you.
Thank you for making time. Sure ba nakatali ako or ibaba ko yung buhok ko? Bad trip tong yung Korean balls. Akala ko talaga. Tori, I thought, cheese ball, yung favorite natin na kinakain sa Korea. Want pa?
Diba, when it's Korean, it's supposed to be it's like not like that.
Yeah.
It's just Filipino food.
Yeah, that's street food, diba?
Yeah.
I got so excited pa naman, diba, Tori, kanina? Oh, well. Let's just go to Korea this year, you want. Let's eat chicken and cheese balls together. Our favorite. Tori, you may kwento nga what happened to us nung nag-cry ka.
Huh?
Nung nag-cry ka when we were
Where?
eating. Yung tayong dalawa lang.
Oh,
Remember?
in Korea?
Yeah. Oh, what happened?
Okay, so Bam Bam was getting water,
Pamangkin ko.
but it's so tagal already.
Iniwan ko siya sa table.
Right.
Iniwan ko siya sa table habang kumakain siya ng chicken tsaka ng cheese balls. Tapos sabi ko, wala tayong tubig. andun lang yung convenience store. Like, katapat lang mismo. Diba, Tori?
Yeah, and I went there pa.
Yeah. Ano was there ba? Inside? Eh, ang dami kasing tao nun. Kaya ang haba ng pila. Ang tagal kong nawala. Pagbalik ko, umiiyak siya doon sa table. Kawawa.
And I was calling Lola pa.
Tinawagan niya si Lola. Tapos, ay FB10. Ang gulo ng hair ko. Tinawagan niya si Lola, nagsumbong siya dun. Buti na lang, hindi na seen. Ang ginawa niya, nag-video siya. Nag-send ng video sa lola niya. Sa nanay ko. Buti nga, hindi na seen. Inansind ko kasi kung hindi, patay ako.
Grabe, bata pa lang siya, pero kaya na niyang pangalanan ang naririnig niyang nota kahit na hindi niya ito nakikita.
Can I have pa, Tori, yung noodles?
Huh?
Can I have more noodles? One last subo.
Okay.
It's good, I like it. Oh, you finished the egg na. You like it?
I need more water.
Need more water. Wait. I'll get.
I'm sorry, I didn't want me to call you, but I do have a pretty big order. So,
Look like that.
Close 1 minute. Can I still order? Yeah, of course. 10. Please get 10 order
yeah, 5 chicken sandwiches.
Chicken is good, no? I'll get you water. Pahingi akong chicken. Last na. Eat mo na yan. Nasa stick. Borrow ka na stick. Nahiya pa yun. Lola ka? I'll get water. I love you, Tori. What's up? Bro.
What?
Love you.
Love you.
Man, come on.
Don't wanna eat na.
Lamia, I'm gonna take a piss on the floor right here. Service, Smart. Wheels away.
What's up? Let's talk na. Ganyan ka. Oh. Wanna talk, guys? Hi, Santos MJ. Hi, Michael. Hello from Colombia. I miss you, King. Shout out sa'yo, Brian. I miss you, Jalame. Would you date a girl? Ba't ko ba binasa? Anong tingin niyo? Oh, your mama messaged you. You reply. Call mo yung mama. Show her. Show her what you got. Andyan ka na naman, pasulyap-sulyap sa'kin. Bad trip talaga tong naiinis ako, Tori, sa Korean boss.
Yeah.
It's not true naman.
And what happened?
Lobat?
Yeah.
Ba't lobat? Lobat ka?
Huh?
Are you lobat ba?
What happened? No, I'm not. I'm 13%.
13? Ayan. Ay!
Mama, I'm eating. Mama?
Bakit wala kang audio, girl? Maiinggit si Travis.
I'm eating noodles.
Show your mama your food.
Mama! Mama!
Siguro yung volume niya, bambam, ano lang, mahina. Ayan o, sabi ni mama mo, quiet daw. Bakit tulog na si Luna? Naiinggit si Travis. Who's Bam Bam?
Huh?
My niece. Magka-ano sila. Video call sila ng nanay niya. Naka-face mask pa. Oh, malalaglag!
Ay, nako.
Ibaba mo yung ano mo. Ayan. Yan. Para mas kita ka niya. Oh! Pinatay. Bro, your hair looks like that.
No, what? My hair is not short.
Your bangs. Someone's asking why daw bonbon. Why nga ba, Tori?
Oh, because when I was a baby, she told me to do it. She said, call me Bum Bum na lang.
So hanggang ngayon, yun yung tawagan namin. Squid ball! Bokya! Ayoko na. Na-itcha-prank ako, no, Bambam?
Yeah. Don't like me now?
Don't like na, wala na nga. Tingin.
There's more.
Ubusin mo na. You don't wanna eat it na. Ayaw mo na? Matitempt akong kainin. Diet na nga ako. May school daw si Bambam tomorrow. May school ka daw tomorrow.
No.
Why?
It's my PTC.
PTC niya bukas kaya kami nag-date.
I don't know what will I get.
Your grades? Takot ka? Dapat nga mataas grades mo, kakabili lang ng iPad sa'yo. Diba?
Saan daw sila gumagawa ng mga miswa? So yung mga tae daw ng mga
Bro, what are you watching?
Tapos yung mga gamit nila talagang nilalangaw na, tapos wala nang palit yung mga tubig at sobrang
Oh, sige na. I'm gonna wash up. Oh, Bom, I wanna do the trend. Yung ano, yung bell pepper na green, tapos yung may cream cheese, tapos yung may ano, Cheetos. Alam mo yun?
Hmm.
You know that?
No.
I wanna do that. Masarap daw.
Show me.
Trying out the viral Christmas wrapping paper photo shoot.
Crystalina.
Ew. Gawin ko sa live. Sige. Marami pa akong utang sa inyo. So, magluluto ako ng steak sa live. Tapos gagawin ko rin yan sa live. Nasasanay na naman tayo, guys, na inaaraw-araw na naman ang live, ha? Tapos mawawala na naman, ha? Now, what do you think? Guys, kasama ko siya sa sa LA, yung buong kapamilyahan.
Are we
Nasa
gonna meet
LA.
Liam?
Yeah, we're gonna meet them. For sure. So, mamaya, papasukatan ko siya sa baba, sa sewing, para meron siyang mga CF na sweater. Siya lang. Oh my God, I'm 2% na lang.
Oh.
I-ghost mo ulit kami. Parang ganun na nga.
Where's your sad face there?
Kasi sabi ko 2% na lang ako. I'm low bat na, so.
Hi po.
Oh, someone said hi. Oh, hi, Tori.
Hi. The sugar.
It's not sugar, that's MSG.
Huh?
Saan mo nakuha? Ay, saan mo nakita?
No, here, my feet. Inside.
Let's wash na lang.
I need water.
You need more water? Ayoko na. Hindi ko kakain yung tira mo. Baka
Yeah.
lumaki na yung pisngi ko.
I'm done na. You throw it.
Ay, yan ang tipo ko. Inuutusan ako. You throw it kaya.
Can you come with me?
Joke lang. I'll do it for you.
Oh. No, you
Come
know
here,
what?
love
I
you.
have a sore eye.
Come here. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh.
I have a sore eye. That's why my eyes is blurry.
Really?
Yeah. Only this eye.
You're both so cute, someone said. Poor Tori daw. Ay, kawa.
Why?
Kasi because of your eye daw. Ay, kawa.
Who's Toribo?
Hello, Tori Boo. Bro. Kiss me, kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss me.
You know what? So you know what? When Auntie Berry went to my school, I said to my friend, Andrea, come, Auntie Berry's here. Na, because they were supposed to take a picture, but her eyes hurt them. But it's just a prank. She's just shy.
She's shy kay
Yeah.
Berry.
And I was embarrassed. I was
Wow.
shouting pa eh.
Ay, kawawa.
And I did
you're
like this to
what?
her.
Embarrassed.
Yeah, I did like this to her after that.
Eh, kasi shy nga.
No, she's not. Yeah, she's
Oh,
shy.
she's shy. Oh, you may kwento pa. Ay, di ba, you said kanina, may nagbubuli kay Brooklyn.
Oh yeah, it was a big girl.
Who's Willow? Do you miss
Willow?
Willow, Tori, sabi?
Yeah,
Sino yun?
I want her to come. Diba the dog?
Dog?
The Auntie Gabby's dog.
Ah.
The one who bite
tao.
me.
Ha?
Diba?
Oo nga pala, di ba
I got
in-injection
6
ka?
injections.
Ay, kawawa.
I didn't cry.
We.
So
So, you're a strong girl.
yeah.
Dobong sun.
Huh?
Oh, someone sent us a gift. Thank you, sis.
Thank you.
Oh, ikwento mo na yung kay Brooklyn, yung
Already-
nagbubuli.
Then
Ano ba? What happened?
like Brooklyn was swinging in the circle one like that.
Playground?
Yeah, there's a playground,
Sa
diba?
school?
No.
Saan? Eh, di ba
Diba?
sa school daw meron? Kaya nga ayaw daw niyo
Oh
pumasok.
yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
what
it's because
happened?
of Sophia. She's not minding her daw.
We?
Yeah, and then when she talks, she says no.
Sabi
Yeah,
niya,
she said, come with me. I will.
I'm 1% na lang.
Okay, Charles. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Charge daw.
Bye.
Kiss mo.
Look at my new iPad.
Oh yeah, may iPad siya. Oh, natanggap niya no Christmas. Gift sa kanya ng daddy niya. Tapos, bye Crush Boy daw. Oh, sabi
Ah.
niya.
Is Crush Boy here? Where? Where is he?
Beside you.
Huh?
Ayun oh. Bye Crush Boy. Sabi.
Hey! It's this!
It's Kaden. Kuya Kaden. Hala! In-invite mo!
Huh, I did.
You did! Nakalagay invite sent eh. Wait, let's charge muna.
Can you charge while live?
Okay, fine.
Yay!
Oh, where will we
They
stay?
like it. As simple as
You stay there. You're done na with your food?
yeah.
Busog na naman siya.
Why?
I love
Can I
you.
talk to him?
Oh, you come here.
Hey, Crush Boy!
They're saying yay. Kasi I charged. Oh, yes daw.
Hi, Dairu.
Uy, so, he replied na yes. Oh, why daw? Ikaw na lang mag-live.
No. have a crush on Bum Bum?
No! Bro!
That's why I call him Crush Boy.
Bro.
She likes you.
No.
Yes.
How did you know?
He told me.
No.
Yes, I was upstairs in your pop-up, and then she tell me.
She?
I mean, and then he told me he has a crush on Bum Bum upstairs in the pop-up.
Baka ano?
No, he likes you. That's why I let you go to Crush Boy.
Oh, what if I like him too? What will you do?
Huh?
I don't like. No.
Lagot? Huh? Why are you getting mad at me?
No. You're not getting mad at me.
Where
Good
is
story
Sheena?
daw. Sabi ni, yung reaction ni Tori, huh? Selos ka?
No. If you be his boyfriend, you will be American then.
Oh. But American.
Because his dad is American. I saw his that he looks like Santa Claus.
Bro!
And his eyes is blue
Totoo ba?
Yeah, diba? He's not answering.
Yes, totoo daw.
Where?
You still remember Tori, ha? Sabi, ayan o.
And she has a queen. The blonde hair. She keeps on following her. And she's a staff then. Bum Bum.
Who's that?
It's your friend. And she has blonde hair. And she's wearing like a white shirt, a black one.
It's Ella daw.
Yeah, that's her.
She keeps following him. Oh, bakit daw?
She's Crush Boy said that's her bodyguard.
Wow naman, may bodyguard si Crush Boy.
Yeah. And then this is how they walk off.
How ba?
So diba, this is Crush Boy.
Oh.
And then the queen is here.
Oh.
So the Crush Boy goes here first, and then what's that girl's name again?
Ella.
And then Ella is here, and she's in the front. So there's she's boy.
What?
It's she's boy.
I don't understand.
And then they were Crush Boy was here. And then Ella's here. So Crush Boy is waiting here. And then Ella goes here. And they walk together now.
Baka they're together.
They're not.
How did you know?
They said Crush Boy said there. I said na nga, are you siblings? And then he said no. I think he has a crush on her too. So,
Ha?
Crush Boy
Pwede
has
ba yun? Two crush? Dalawang crush?
Yeah?
Allowed ba yun?
Like more than two.
Pwede ba yun? That's illegal. Illegal.
And then me and Brooklyn keeps on, when we're upstairs, we were here, and then Crush Boy is here with Ella again. We were in the window. We opened the window, and then me and Brooklyn shout, "Crush Boy!" and then Crush Boy is like, where is he na?
Chinika mo na yung buhay niya.
Where is he?
Ay, may filter.
Why do I have that eyes?
Baka ma-block ka. Ay, block ako. Baby, baby blue eyes, stay with me by my side. I'm 10% now. How about your iPad?
Huh?
How about your iPad?
What?
Are you low bat?
No. Wait. Yeah, I'm 12%.
You're 12. Do you wanna charge?
No.
Okay. O sige na guys, I need to wash up.
Bye.
O diba, inaraw-araw ko na talaga yung live. Say hi, Mamu! Hi, Mamu! Say lang, hi, Mamu.
Hi, Mom.
Guys, inaaraw-araw ko na yung pagla-live. Paano yan? Baka ma-attach na naman ako. Ano? Ang gagawin ko? Ha? Guys, nga pala, magkakaroon na ng ay, open na yung slots for new admins for this year sa Charlotte Squad Official. Wants to join. Baby, baby blue eyes, stay me by my side. Guys, do you have any questions? Bago ko mag-end live. Or gusto nyo ba mamaya na tayo mag-end? 12:30. You broke my heart, ha? Why? What did I do? Gonna wash up. Araw-araw na ako nagla-live. My gosh. Parang 3 consecutive days na, no? Will you live tomorrow? Do you want me to? Ayoko na niya naman masyadong gusto. Say please, master muna.
I have 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Gusto ko yung please love.
I have 5.
Okay, I'm gonna live again tomorrow. Pinagsisisihan ko yung kinain ko. Ba't ba nakisubo pa ako kay Tori?
Watch him out, bitch. Watch him out. Watch.
Hindi ako kakain bukas. Wait, but I don't eat rice anymore. 4 days na. Tutuloy-tuloy ko na ulit to. Wala nang kanin-kanin. Uy, nagpadala daw si Ange ng ng chicken bacolod from Bacolod mismo. Ay, thank you so much. I've been craving, as in. Tas pinag-uusapan nga namin yun kanina ng family ko habang nag-dinner kami. Na-excited kami. Tas nagulat na lang ako na nagpadala daw sa bahay. Thank you so much. Sabi ko nga, tira na ako kahit 2 kasi baka mamaya ubusin na nila. Kasi na-addict na kami sa chicken bacolod talaga. Yung authentic. Do you love me? Yes. So much. Paano kita i-shoutout unknown? Hindi wala namang pangalan. Shoutout unknown. Naantok na ako. Hi, Rich Life. Baby, baby blue eyes, stay with me by my side. Guys, hindi kami natuloy mag-grocery kanina. Nag-Watsons na lang tuloy kami ni Tori. Nagbili lang ako ng mga facial tissue, ganun. Kasi ayokong gamitin yung toilet paper na pang wipe ng face ko pag nag-wash up. Ganda, no? Kala mo naman. I'm sleepy na. Dinisin muna natin yung kalat. Wait. Tori, if you need to charge, andyan na yung charger, ha?
What charge?
Ayan, no? That's Type-C, diba?
Where you go?
I'll just clean this up. Nakakapikon yung squid ball. Fake news, fake news, fake news. Sarap pa naman ng bulldog. Tori, I'm gonna wash up lang.
Can I go?
Wanna come sa CR?
Yeah.
Cause you're scared, I know. You need water pa? Let's get water. Bring this tomorrow, ha, pag uwi mo. Kasi
Who will fetch me?
want me to, drop you off sa house.
Then you're gonna go
I need to go somewhere tomorrow.
where?
Somewhere far away. Shani. Oh, I have errands. I need to work. Here, water. Kaya mo i-open? Hold it. Hold it. Here, drink.
Okay.
Finish mo yan. Can you finish it? Okay, bye. I love you.
Wag yan.